Hey, welcome to Leadzy. I'm super excited to have you here. My name's Bill, and I'm actually the founder of Leadzy Builder. And I want to be your personal assistant and guide you through this process and provide you with some really helpful tips to getting you started and building your business presence using the Leadzy platform. So let's get started. First off, Leadzy is not just a website builder. You can do so much more with Leadzy. You build your website, but you can create sales funnels, email automations. There's a CRM and analytics built into the back end of your platform. You'll be able to email your customers as they come in or send them email drip campaigns. Let me show you a couple of things before we get started here. You have already registered and probably have selected your template at this point and are now looking to design your website and you want to know what to do next. Let's go through some of the basics. First off, I want to point out a couple of things. And one of the main things here is we have a full academy for Website Design Academy and lead funnel creation. And I encourage you to take advantage of this. It's such an amazing resource. And all you have to do is come back to leadzy.ca and jump on and click on the tutorials button at the top here. It's going to bring you down to the Leadzy Academy. I suggest starting with the Leadzy Design Academy, opening that up and watching each one of these videos and every single one of these videos. There's a lot of great things in here. It's going to teach you about SEO. It's going to teach you and how to set that up on your website. It's going to teach you how to connect your domain. So you'll start with a temporary domain, and you can use that temporary domain for as long as you want. However, it's always good to connect your actual domain or your business domain. This is going to show you how to do it. It's going to get into some of the basics and generating leads for your business, building your pages, setting up your homepage, all the core information that you're going to need to get really started here. And then down below here, we have some 10 web design tips as well. So have a watch on all of these videos. And when you're done, I do recommend coming back in and checking out the Advanced Academy as well, because that's going to get into the really fun stuff where you're, moving those leads through to your CRM. You can create a sales funnel, and there's 22 videos on that. You can create email automations and drip campaigns, as I was saying earlier. So check that series out as well. And then there's the general series on website design, e-commerce, how to build an e-commerce website, different types of e-commerce websites as well, how to build quizzes and surveys. These are really helpful and really good lead generators. We've got our 10 design tips again here. Creating a membership site, for example, or a website or a funnel. So there's lots in this series as well. And then once you're done that, there is just a little bit more on the step-by-step setting up your e-commerce website if you are indeed setting up a shop or some type of e-commerce website. So this is really helpful as well. Now, once you're actually in your builder, I'm in my builder right now in the back end of the Leadzy store. And of course, I built it on the same platform, on the Leadzy platform. When you're in here, you have a couple of more tools here that will help you navigate and help you figure things out if you need to figure anything out. First off, you can always view your website in the different screen sizes. So there's 3 standard: mobile, tablet, and desktop. So you kind of see what it looks like generally on those general screen sizes. If you need any help or deeper details, there's the help button down here. And there's all kinds of tutorials and articles in here on how to do pretty much anything on your website and build your website up. So check that out as well. There's all kinds of topics in there. I'm going to drop that back down. And if you still need help, we do have a quick chat here. Happy to give you some suggestions and walk you through some stuff. If we get into a little bit more that a little bit more assistance needed, then we also have this Hire a Pro button up at the top of leadzy.ca. So you can bounce back here, click on that button, and you can actually book a time. It's $130 for an hour block. We can certainly do a lot in that time. What I do is I take over your website, we'll screen share with you in that meeting, and you can walk me through some of the stuff that you want to have done on your website. And in that hour, we're just going to go ahead and go right through your website and do all those changes that you want to do, make any adjustments that's needed, upload images, set up files, set up your pages. whatever you need on your website in that hour block, we're going to do. So you can always book a time here and set up that hour block as well. So number of different ways we're going to be able to help you as far as support in getting your website and getting your business presence built up online through the Leadzy platform. So I'm really excited you're here. I'm looking forward to seeing your amazing website and what you do with your business with our platform. I look forward to seeing what you come up with.